Hello. I got a ringing back here. Sounds like something was stuck in my center cap. When the car is rolling, it's going jingle, 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 jingle. Drive me nuts. So I got the tire off, and checking the center cap and the brake drum to see if maybe there was a rock or something in it. And then just kind of look around, see what the heck's going on. I hear it coming from this back. Maybe see what the run out is on the rear end. Something's making noise, just enough to annoy me. Kind of sounds like that. I don't think it's loose. I don't think anything's in there. I didn't see a rock when I took it off. See if anything's going on in the brake drum here. Kind of curious what everything looks like. Anything about, I don't know, maybe a couple 100 miles on this thing since I got plates on it, since I got it back on the road. Kind of just like to look everything over. I mean, it's running great, stops great. I couldn't ask for much more. Would like a little bit smoother ride as far as when you hit bumps. I mean, it's better than my Barracuda was, but I think there'd be a way to soften her up a bit without bringing the torsion bars way down. I mean, if anybody knows how to soften these things up in the front, I would like to know. Let's check this out. Oh, looks pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with that. A little bit of dust. So that dust causes problems on my Javelin. It's screaming like a freight train after it gets warmed up, and I notice a ton of dust. And we're going to get to that one. We're going to get to that problem. I think the way I'm going to fix it on the Javelin is I've seen one of Mortsky Repairs videos. His dad or his grandpa or somebody give him an old Jeepster, and I noticed when he took the drums off it, somebody cut with a grinder just some slashes, just a way for the dust to escape, because these new brake pads ain't worth a crap. The old good asbestos ones is what was on stuff when they built them back then, and they didn't do that. So what's worse, asbestos or shit tons of brake dust? I don't know. Everything looks good in here. Yeah, I don't know if that's kinda, I don't know if that's on the outer. It might be a little bit too much play on this rear. I ain't gonna worry about it. It ain't excessive. Might have to fix that though. I ain't gonna worry about it today. I don't hear nothing in here. Sounds like a bell. I mean, it would sound like somebody's ringing a bell back there in my back tire. Kind of like that, but lighter. Wouldn't think that's not going to rattle with the rim on it. I think I might have found it. Your exhaust ain't supposed to be loose like that. Yeah, let's get her tightened up. Get my impact out. Yeah, probably something overlooked. You know, I put all this stuff on there. I was underneath this car about 700 times putting that exhaust on. It was a kit from Summit, which it was fine. I give $400 some for it, or 200. I got another 200 in the stainless downpipes. I've got basically stainless downpipes that come down on this thing that I had to modify because I'm running 76 New Yorker exhaust manifolds, which I've read that they're pretty, you know, they make horsepower. I could be wrong. I know this thing does pretty good. Sounds good. There's a stainless down tubes. You can see I've had to modify stuff. It's not the prettiest, but it works good, sounds good, and I don't care. Thrush welded. Probably could have did better about getting that up there closer. I like the other one better, but you can always make a cut in there later and bend it up, or just put a jack on it, see if we can bend it that way. But like I said, I don't care. You can't see it too bad. We're outside a car. Now let's just tighten the exhaust up real quick and check the other side. Did it. That did it. That'll be good. Beautiful weather. See if I can get over the other side without getting wet. Should drop that door down, but it's giving me some light. We're gonna have some videos on this car. We're gonna do a walk around, talk around on it. Pretty unique. And people are starting to like them there things. Now look at that. Kind of embarrassing I did this, but the stuff you'll forget about. See if we can get to that. I got a small exhaust leak back here too. There we go. So we have a small exhaust leak back there too on that clamp. That one there. can't hurt. Oh, my gas tank stayed dry up in here too from my last debacle. All right. All right, mystery solved, I hope. It was starting to annoy me. All right, put the tire back on, call her good. The verdict's still out on these. They take like an adapter. I don't know. It's the only thing I could find. And it had a regular lug nut for this car. That way no one can steal your highly sought after 14-inch rally. No. I like them. They're not going to be on here. I'll run over real quick. I mean, nobody's watching anyway, but last time I said I would show what I'm going to put on here. As soon as I get it down on the ground, I'll go over and grab them. Jack stands this time. So they say safety third. I think that's what Mortsky says. Not getting that bell sort of sound. I don't know. Hopefully it goes away. I wonder what that was. I just smashed my Chinesium impact against the pumpkin. Hopefully I didn't kill it. I kind of like that thing. It was made in China, so it's probably perfect. Or Chinesium. I think it still works. 68 volt. That's 12 in Chinese. I'm hit. Yeah, one more thing. I'm putting these on there. I get 15-inch steel rims, and then these will go on there on a regular steel rim. I asked the ticket. Should have kept the ones off my Barracuda when I sold it. I should have kept the steelies off it, and I should have kept the center caps. They weren't like these. They were just regular, like cop style. But I should have kept that stuff. Should have yanked the pumpkin out of it too. It had a 323 Sure Grip in it. This just got an open. But I think I found the ring-a-ding-ding. Catch you on the next one.